Congratulations, Kim Chu. Sa kanyang IG post, I'm honored and grateful to be recognized as Novelty Artist of the Year. Wow. Thank you, PMPC's Awards, for our music. This recognition and this achievement is truly shared one and oh to eight many incredible people. Thank you so much to Shu hashtag Fitchi and also Dreamscape PH, to the talented producers and Star Music family. Ayan, si Sir Jonathan Manalo, si Sir Rock Santos, sa lahat pinapasalamatan ni Kim Chu. And who poured their hearts to this song, Miss Okay. I'm genuinely grateful for everyone who believed in me and made possible. Thank you from the bottom of my heart. Sorry I could not personally accept the award last night due to prior commitment. I think hindi nga naka-attend the time si Kim kasi nga meron po siyang commitment dahil doon sa PBB na siya yung nagiging host. Congrats Kimi, you are so blessed and this year back to back ha, well you deserve. So ayan guys, kumpleto na yung award ni Kim. You beside me, hashtag Lin lang. Ayan, and then sa What's Wrong with Secretary Kim, grabe, deserve. Yan ang sinasabi talaga na karamihan na kapag binabash, lalong bumabalik ang blessing. So ayan guys, hindi siya naka-attend dahil sa kanyang commitment. And you are well loved, many despite your fame and status. You remain humble and keep kind. Sorry you deserve. Celebrate all your wins and life to the moon and back. Congrats, Kimi. Siyempre, proud na proud si Paolo Affilini rito. Kung matatandaan guys, meron siyang in-upload na video na habang siya ay nakasuot nito ng ah, damit na something blue na inaayosan, si Pau nasa likod, panay silip. Siya po ay naka-black ng shirt and then naka-face mask, naka-shades. So, hindi siya mapapansin pero sa mga nakakilala na si Paulo talaga yun, all the way support si Pau nito. Kasagsagan nito din, hiwalay na sila ni Sian Lim. So, nandun ang support ni Paulo Afilino dito sa hashtag Fitchick. Wow, grabe ha, deserve Kimi. Hakot awards talaga. Dito sa Philippines, international. How blessed you are, Kimi. No questions for that cause you're beautiful inside and out. That's why you deserve mo lahat. And so happy for you. Ang lahat ng mga Kim Pao fans, masaya para sa'yo.